In this video, my family traveled to Los Cabos, Mexico. I caught giant fish, we watched awesome performances, we ate great food, and we had a blast. So join us on this awesome trip to Los Cabos, Mexico. This place is beautiful. There's the Pacific Ocean. That way we're gonna be doing plenty of fishing. Wow, look at that.
Up on the breeze.
Wow. All right, this is looking out over the marina. And then that's Los Cabos back there.
Look at that big cruise ship out there.
That's beautiful. Yeah, look at that cruise ship. Thing's like bigger than any of the buildings around here. And this is our room. And if you go out here on the screen porch, you get to look over the marina. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those lights and that big cruise ship. All right guys, it is time to go to bed, so we'll see y'all in the morning for the first full day. It's early in the morning. It's like 5:20 or something. Me and my dad are gonna walk down to the beach, and I think I'm gonna do some fishing. So this is that same place we were at yesterday, looking out over the beach. That's this little pool area, and then the beach is down there. It's beautiful in the dark. All right, we're on the beach. And that's the resort, looking back to it. Beautiful. But this beach is not like the ones we have. Way more steep and way bigger waves. So I'm gonna start off by throwing this popper, seeing if I can get any action out of it. And I've got just a swivel thing with a clevis type hook thing. And then 40-pound test fluorocarbon leader tied to 45-pound test braid. I haven't had any bites yet, but now that the sun's coming up, maybe I will. That is beautiful. I switched to a little bit bigger of a topwater lure, so hopefully whenever the sun starts coming up, we'll get some good topwater action. Boys and girls, we just hooked into a massive needlefish. And I was stupid enough to forget to bring a GoPro strap or mount, so I have to hold this. Got him on the popper, baby. I switched back to the small one. Goodness, look at this. It's a big boy. Oh my gosh. He nailed that thing. These things have giant teeth, so I really hope he doesn't cut my line. Come here, you. Oh yeah. Looks like a barracuda. Holy crap, that thing is giant. Oh my goodness. I gotta be careful here. Look at how big he is. It's like 4 feet long. On the popper, baby. Goodness, look at those teeth. Massive teeth. Big ol' eyeball. That popper's like 4 inches long. And I mean, that thing, I wear a size 12.5. I mean, I'm just trying to make it show some size comparison because I know we don't look like anything on here. But let me get him unhooked. I gotta put the GoPro away for a second. All right, so we're heading in to cook some breakfast. But we released that needlefish. Got some good pictures of it. But if I'd used my brain and brought a GoPro mount, I would have videoed it. But y'all know what that looks like, so it's all right. All right, so we ate breakfast. It was really good. We had eggs and bacon and stuff. And so now they are going that way. There's a pool right up there. And so they're gonna go swimming in that. Now I'm going back down to the beach. That is some crystal clear water, I'm telling you what. I used my brain and brought the GoPro strap this time. So y'all will have better videos if I catch a fish. First cast. So can't believe how calm it is out here. Crazy. Waves are bigger over here. All right, Gabe, this is for you. I'm switching to a needlefish lure. Looks just like a needlefish. Boys and girls, we have a monster of something. I don't know what the heck it is, but it just took a buttload of line from me. I just switched back to a massive popper and first cast on it. Oh my goodness, my heart is racing right now. I don't know what it is. I think it's a big needlefish. But, oh my gosh. Dude, it just took like 50 meters of line. Just before I could get the line, click the GoPro button and get the line tight enough. Yeah, that's a big old needlefish. I've snagged it too. Oh no. Use the wave. Yeah. Oh, he's bigger than the last one. For sure. Goodness gracious. Grandpa's on fire. Holy mackerel. Look at that fish. Wow. That is a stud right there. I'll tell you what. I'd say he's a good 40 inches, 45 inches. Holy moly. Yeah, he's 40 at least. Wow. I snagged him right there. But he bit it. And then somehow he just flipped around and got him in the back. Don't bite me. That is insane. Whoa, did you see that? He whipped around. Look at him go. Look at him. Whoa. He wants to go back. He knows where to go too. Look at those teeth. I can grab them. There we go. Now I can't do nothing. Holy moly. Look at that fish. Look at those teeth. I mean, that's why my brand new lure's cut up. Let's get him back. I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna fish with that popper. I need to fish with it. There he goes. Like a big old snake. And boom, I mean, it wasn't in the water for like 10 seconds and I looked away. And as soon as that, I felt, zzz. Wow, that was good stuff. So it's been a while since I've caught anything. So I'm switching to a little bottom rig with some little pieces of bait. We're gonna see if we can't catch something small right here around these rocks. Oh yeah, we got one. What is it? A puffer fish. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Oh my goodness. That's hilarious. Wow. I kind of don't want to touch them because I don't know if I don't think they're poisonous. Oh, he's slimy. And then he's got a bunch of little spike looking things. The ones where we come from aren't poisonous, but I wouldn't imagine he is, but you never know. So I'm gonna just go get the pliers and flip him off into the water. Feels good to catch a new species. Wow, he's strong. Get him by the mouth there. All right, come on, buddy. Oh no. Feel bad, but I want to touch him. Come on, little dude. Go back into the ocean. Go out with the wave. Go out. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna have to throw him. All right, I got him by the mouth. Wow, he's so pretty. Look at those black dots on him. Oh. I'm gonna kill him. Ah. Trying, I promise, dude. All right, come on. There he goes. Now go out. All right, he made it. We're getting a fish. Oh. Oh, I don't think we got him. Let's check. No fish. Sling her back out there. I'm gonna go in for a little bit. Fishing died down and I haven't had anything for a while. So I'm gonna go get some lunch and then probably come back out here later. All right, we're sitting down by the pool now. Well, I should say up by the pool. All right, guys, we're back here at it again. It's about 2:20 now. Sat by the pool for a while, ate some lunch, and now we are ready to rock and roll. Have increased quite a bit in size. Those are pretty big waves. Look at that thing out there. It's like a tsunami. Kaboom. All right, so this is really crazy and scary. You see that little black thing right there? Take a guess at what that is. It's a man-o-war, a baby man-o-war jellyfish. Crazy. I mean, I was like right next to it. Look at it. All right, we're going back to the room. What do you think they would do if I just started fishing in here?
Teach you out.
Probably. This is the Mexican gas station. Oh, this is beautiful.
And told her to go.
This is a little walkway. All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, guys, we are down here at the beach again. See if we can't catch something so pretty. These are baby sea turtles, and I happened to be walking on the beach right as this biologist was releasing them into the ocean. However, I didn't actually get to see them swim away. Well, no luck. I fished and fished and fished, but we had a couple bites from needlefish. But as far as something actually good, I haven't seen any signs. Now, me, my mom, my grandma, and my sisters, we're gonna walk around the marina and go out to the point. And then we're gonna come back and go to the grocery store, and then we'll go back to the room. Look at him. Sea lion. Golly. Look at this guy.
He's scratching his back.
Oh.
He doesn't have
Look at all those fish. Look at all that.
But there's a deal.
That's gorgeous. Alright, so we're at the grocery store and I got some frozen octopus for bait and some shrimp. So I got bait. Go back down there to the rocks. See what we can do. This thing's awesome. I bought this at Walmart. It's just a little lunch thing for your food, but it works perfect for keeping bait cold and frozen. Yeah, that's the lid. You better see that. See what that says? Better obey it. You better. I like the octopus because it stays on the hook good. It's tough. Perfect. I think we might have a fish. We were definitely getting a bite. I guess it came off. No fish. I've been fishing for an hour and a half-ish. So still haven't caught a thing. Haven't had a bite in forever. I'm just frustrated right now. I don't understand. I could have sworn I was gonna catch something. I mean, it's shrimp. Like, what kind of fish doesn't want shrimp? I think I'm done. I'm gonna go in and get something to eat. So we're gonna take the GoPro and put it on this leader, sling it out there. All right, y'all are rigged up. So, adios, amigos. I don't know what these fish were, but there looks like there was about 15 of them. I actually didn't get to watch this video until I got home, and you'll see why here in just a second. But if you know what these fish were, drop a comment down below, because I'd love to know. So, I killed the GoPro. It worked the first time. Slung it out there, got a video, and then I slung it back out there again, pulled it in, the screen was black. Opened it up, and there was water all in it, and it won't come on. Just the little red light will barely even come on. And so that one's done for. That was a Hero 9, this is an 8. So I'll be using this for the rest of the time, I guess, but that's all right, that's okay. But right now we're heading down to the beach for a Mexican fiesta.
Is this a mortar? This is a mortar vest.
Just look at that. Isn't it cute?
That Tahiti on the
It's tahine. Tahine.
What is it, spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Well,
salty,
it's like
spicy.
That's what I would play.
All right, it's time to eat.
All together. A lot.
Round 2.
Little crab down there.
All right, we're back in our room. We will see y'all tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. So it's day 3, and it's already kind of late this morning. I don't know what time it is, 9:30. Me and my dad went on a run this morning, and then got back, ate some breakfast, and went up to the pool and sat in the hot tub for a little bit. Now we're up here. Okay, so me and my mom are gonna go do some laundry now, and then we'll walk down to the market. So I'll be able to show you what the market looks like.
That's it? Okay, I don't know.
All right, this is the market.
Which one you like, senor? Just looking.
Oh, shut up and sit. Yeah, let's see if I get the find
So now we're going to go down and play putt-putt. It's gonna be fun. All right, we're down here at the putt-putt course. And it's beautiful. Getting ready to play some putt-putt. I'll tell you who wins.
Okay, so somehow Mike ended up tying me in putt-putt, which is
Somehow.
pretty much, I don't know, impossible. But this is, we're gonna break the tie right here. Whoever wins is the champion, and the loser has to do a push-up at the feet of the winner. And everybody in the whole complex is gonna acknowledge the winner. Watch and learn. All right.
How many is that now? 2? How many was that?
No pressure.
He goes up to bat. All the pressure's on you.
No!
We changed the line.
Okay.
He's embarrassed because he lost.
Micah has to do a push-up at the winner's feet.
I just
He already did it.
I want to see it.
It's on this.
Oh my
Show her
God.
the video.
I'll show you the video.
All right, so we're heading back to the room, and we're gonna get ready for our Mexican beach party tonight. It's gonna be a blast.
Marcus, do you need help with that? I think they're trying to decide what to do with that.
Vodka with apple juice.
It's delicious. It's fish. Can I get steak? Thank you.
All right, guys, we are swimming in the dark. Blue pool. Look at this. It's beautiful. Jump in. You look crazy. You look crazy on this. Well, like you can't see your bottom half. Like it just looks like, yeah, it looks like a head just floating in the water.
Wait, I want to see the picture. Oh, this is so cool.
That's awesome. All right, we're putting the GoPro just barely underwater. Oh, that looks awesome.
I want to see.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah. Ooh, in the hot tub.
All right, we're going down the slide. You ready for this?
I turned the eyes underwater, but I can't see anything from all the lights.
All right, so the slide starts right there, and it goes down into the lower pool. Maddie's already down there. Maddie, we're coming down.
Cut it down.
Don't fall on me, because I'm gonna try and keep this thing not wet. Okay.
All right, go. You're definitely gonna get it wet.
Oh my goodness, water went all up my nose. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was pretty good. All right, time to do it again.
Time to get out. Okay. Only got 25.
All right, guys. So it is time for us to go to bed. It's been a wonderful day, and we'll see y'all in the morning. Welcome to the last day in Cabo. So I got up this morning, went down to the weight room, did a workout, ran on the treadmill a little bit, came back, had some breakfast, and now we're going fishing. One last time, one last shot. There we go. All right, I'm gonna put on a lure. I got the old trusty popper back on. I've had the best luck with it, so that's what we're gonna use. It's fairly calm out here today. We got a fish on, guys. It's a needlefish. Pretty big one though. Oh yeah, look at that. Haven't been fishing but about 10 minutes. Dang, he's pretty big. Look at that. Wow, let me put the rod in the sand here. Look at that. Wow, he's a good 30 plus inches, easy. I'd say he's 35 probably. Those things are gnarly. Look at them. Did not want to get bit by that thing. Relax, relax, relax. And oh, well, there we go. Man, they're so pretty. That is just stunning color. Whoa, chill, 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 chill. All right, go back. There he goes. On to live another day. These waves are crazy. Look who showed up.
Yeah, with Pepsis.
Oh yeah. We made it all the way. 4 of them.
Also got two little cookie cakes.
Oh my goodness.
And another little treat.
Made it all the way down here to this side of the beach. Look at these rocks. Craziness. Like it. I love the Mexican decorations on here.
Well, they would be a little colder, but I got sidetracked doing yoga.
That's all right.
Guy said he'll get some more pictures on that bicycle later today.
Okay. There we go. Dangerous. But beautiful. Come on, I know there's a monster rooster fish just hiding right there. Oh no. Oh, I just got soaked. That was a big one. All right, guys, I'm switching to this lure. This little crankbait. That was a humongous wave. I never get the big ones on camera. So I've been fishing with this forever. No bites, no follows that I've seen. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll put a bottom rig on and then I'm gonna put octopus on it and sling it out there. We got our octopus on here, but it's a little rotten. And I mean, it smells horrible. Y'all can probably smell it through the camera. Well, guys, I'm afraid to say it, but I think that's the last fishing of Cabo. I'm done for the day, and I don't know if I'll get to fish anymore. But it's been good. It's been amazing. Didn't get to catch a variety, but I caught some really big needlefish. I think we're going to sit by the pool now, so we'll see y'all there.
Do you want back in the shade now? I'll move your chair. I can set this up. Yeah.
Look at this. Tuna and salmon. Beautiful. All right, so we sat by the pool for a while, went down the slide a couple times, and now we are getting ready to go to the little store and then go play some more putt-putt. Daddy wanted one of these.
He likes those, but he wants
which are pretty good. How much are these? Coffee, hot mocha. All right, so we walked around for a little bit, and now it is time to head to putt-putt. So Daddy won again somehow, but I'm gonna fold this up and slide it through one of the holes in that vent and leave it up there for next year when we come back. Right there it is for next year. All right, time to get ready for dinner. I don't know if I can see, but there's birds and they start right there and they go all the way over there.
Reckon what they're after.
Bunches of birds. I can zoom in. There's Gabe. We found Gabe in Mexico.
his little truck.
Yep. Little stingray.
Oh, look at that.
Do you see it, Mama?
Can't see him unless it's moving.
We made it to the restaurant. Salvatore's. It's Italian. This is our restaurant. This is where we're sitting. Beautiful. Open air. We got our food. That lasagna is like a tower. Tiramisu. Oh my goodness, it's giant. That's crazy. They have the feet cleaning fish. I know it's the last time we'll walk. Adios, Marina. It's the last time we'll cross the road. There's putt-putt. So the last night walk across the breezeway. We're walking out to the beach for the last Cabo sunrise. Look at all the boats going out there. Those are some thorns. Goodness gracious.
Use that as like a saw. Oh, don't do that.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, bro.
No.